Simplified is the all-in-one tool that can help you collaborate with your team and stay organized. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to manage your workspace and show you some amazing features. This information in the top toolbar here will tell you what workspace you're in. You can use this drop-down menu and then choose Settings to open your workspace. Here you will see all the different members within your workspace, and you can invite team members by typing in their email addresses, selecting their access status of admin, full member, approver, or creator, and then clicking invite, which will send an invitation right to their email. You can change the name of your workspace and even adjust the time zone. Don't forget to click update if you make any changes. You can use this drop-down menu here to delete an entire workspace, and you can move between workspaces by using this drop-down in the top toolbar and jumping to another workspace. You can create an entirely new workspace by clicking this here, and remember, each new workspace will require a new subscription. Simplified's workspaces are a great way for you to manage different clients, teams, and projects. To use Simplified's tools and more, sign up on simplified.com. See you there.